Fill the water tank with water. Do not exceed the maximum level. The machine enters preheating mode when turned on. Once preheating is completed, it automatically defaults to clean mode. You can also cancel it at this point, then place your cup and press the hot water button to warm it up. Add the right amount of coffee beans and adjust the ground settings. For new machines, start at settings 8 and fine-tune from there. Next, you can first set your desired coffee strength and volume, then press either the double shot or Americano button. Wait a moment for it to brew, and your regular coffee will be ready. After brewing, if you want to use the steam function, press the steam button and wait 15 seconds for preheating. Once the steam flows steadily for 2 seconds, turn it off. Place a milk-filled pitcher under the steam wand. Submerge the wand tip 0.5 centimeters into the milk. Press the steam button again to start frothing. Position it at roughly the 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock angle and tilt the pitcher 15 to 45. Turn off the steam when the milk froth reaches around 60 degrees. That's the ideal temperature for creamy froth. Position the steam wand over the drip tray to avoid clogs. Turn on the steam to flush the wand interior for about 3 seconds. Then turn it off. Wipe the wand clean with a damp cloth. Pour the froth milk into your coffee. Now sit back and savor your perfectly made coffee.